Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook ground beef. First, select your ground beef, considering fat content like 85% lean for a good balance. Preheat a large skillet over medium-high heat for about 2 minutes. Add the ground beef and immediately begin breaking it apart with a spoon or spatula. Continue to stir and break up the meat into small, even pieces as it browns, ensuring even cooking. Once the beef is mostly browned, it's crucial to drain any excess fat. This step reduces greasiness and makes your dish healthier. Carefully tilt the pan and use a spoon to scoop out the rendered fat or transfer the beef to a colander. After draining, return the beef to the pan. Now is the perfect time to season generously with salt, black pepper, and any other desired spices like garlic powder or onion powder for maximum flavor. Continue cooking the ground beef, stirring occasionally until it reaches your desired level of doneness. For well done, ensure no pink remains and the meat is fully browned throughout. The internal temperature should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. If you prefer a slightly less done result, you can stop cooking a little sooner, but always prioritize safety. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes total. Your perfectly cooked ground beef is now ready to be incorporated into countless delicious meals. It's incredibly versatile. You can use it for tacos, spaghetti sauce, casseroles, or even a simple beef and vegetable stir-fry. Serve it hot with your favorite sides like rice, pasta, or a fresh salad. Remember to store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days to maintain freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.